Hello children, today we are back with one more trick, a trick to find the square of a number. Square of number between 1 to 50. So, we'll take any number, for example 23. Suppose if I have to find the square of this number 23. What am I going to do first, children? First thing is I will square the number in this units place. 3 3s are 9. So I will write 9. Right? Now my second step is I am going to multiply 2 into 3 into 2. Right? So that becomes 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So from 12 I will write 2 over here and I will carry 1. Are you getting this? Now, the last step is I will square the number in this tens place. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, my answer for the square of 23 is 529. Are you getting this method? We'll see one more number and we'll find the answer for this. For example, my number is 42 now. Okay. Now, I have to find the square of 42, right? So what am I going to do first? First I will square the number in the units place. 2 2s are 4, right? Now I will multiply all the digits and then I'll get the next number. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So I write the unit place number, I carry 1, right? Third step is 4 4s are 16. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So my answer for 42 square is 1764. Are you getting this method, children? Let's take some more example and try to understand this method. Okay. Now for example, if we take a number that is 49. Okay, now I have to find the square of this number. What am I going to do first? Square of 9. 9 9s are 81. So I write 8 I carry, I write 1 over here. 81. Now what am I going to do? I will multiply this. 9 4s are 36. 36 2s are 72. Right? And 72 I am going to add in this carried number, so it becomes 80, right? So I will put this 0 over here. I will carry this 8. Okay. So now the third and the last step is I have to find the square of this. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 8 will give me 24. So my answer for 49 square is 2401. Are you getting this, children? Let's see one more number. Now, our next number is suppose 26 square. Okay, what am I going to do first? First, I will find the square of this number in the units place. 6 6 are 36. So, I will write 6. I will carry 3. Yes. Now, I have to multiply this to 2 6 are 12. 12 2s are 24. So I have to add this 24 over here and it gives me 27. Right? Now, so I'll write 7 over here. Now, my next step is 2 is carried. Now, I have to square this tens number. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So my answer for the square of 26 is 676. Are you getting this, children? Let us see some few more examples and we'll try to solve it. Now for example, I take the number 37. I have to find the square of 37. What am I going to do first? 7 7s are 49. 4 is carried. Right? Now I will multiply this. That is 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. Right? So it gets added to this 4. I get 46. Right, children? So I will write 6 over here and 4 is carried. Now I have to do the square of this. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 4 will give me 13. So I have to write 13 over here, and the square of number 37 is 1369. Are you getting this, children? So we are with one more number and we'll see the trick again. So children, for example, I have to find the square of 18. Okay, what will I do first? 8 8s are 64. So 6 is carried, I write 4. Right? Then I am going to multiply this. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So that 16 gets added in this and I get 22, right? So I will write 2 over here and this 2 gets carried. Now 1 ka square is 1. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. So my square of 18 is 324. Okay, children, is that simple? So that is one method for finding the square of numbers between 1 to 50. Then let us learn one more trick, children, to find square of a number in between 1 to 50. Okay, this method could also be called as dot method. So we'll take an example, that is 23 into 23. So I have to find the square of 23. Now my first step goes like this. I represent my number in the form of dots. Okay, so I have to multiply the number in the units place to itself. So children, then my second step is I have to multiply the number in a crisscross manner and then add their multiplications. Okay, my third step is I have to multiply the numbers in the tens place. Okay, so let us see the method with an example. Now first you will see, first step is I have to multiply the number in the units place. So 3 threes will give me 9. Okay, now I have to multiply them in crisscross manner. So 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 6 and 6 will give me 12. Right, children? So I will write 2 over here and 1 gets carried. Okay, now that is my second step. Now my third step is I have to multiply the numbers in the tens place. 2 twos are 4 and this 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So the square of 223 is 529. Are you getting this? We'll see one more example and we'll understand. Okay, let's take an example of, we'll take the number 47 into 47. Now 7 sevens are 49. My first step says multiply the units number. So 7 sevens are 49. So write 9 and carry 4. Now I have to multiply this in a crisscross manner. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. So you can add them. 28 and 28 will give me 56. Or you can add like this. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. To this 4 which is carried. So that gives me 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 4 is 20. So carry 2 and this gives me 6. So I write 0 and 6 gets carried again. Okay, children. So now we come with the third step, that is I have to multiply the number in the tens place. So 4 fours are 16. I have to add 16 to my 6 which was carried. So 6 gives me 12 and this will give me 2 So that is 22. So children, the square of 47 is 2209. Are you getting this method? Let's see one more example. Okay. Now we'll take a number 38. Yes. 38 into 38. Now 8 8s are 64. So carry 6. Yes, my first step says 8 8s are 64. Then I carried 6. Now crisscross multiplication. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Added to this 6, that will give me 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14. 2 and 2 4 and 1 5. So 4 is written over here. 5 gets carried. So I got the multiplication and its addition and the carried number I added to it. Now 3 3s are 9 and this 5 will give me 14. So that is 1444 is my answer. Okay. So square of 38 is 1444. Is that understood, children? Let's take one more example. Now my number is 19. So 19 multiplied by 19. 9 9s are 81. So 8 is carried. I write 1 over here. Right? Now multiply it in a crisscross manner. 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. Added to this 8 which was carried. So 9 and 9 is 18. 18 and 8 is 26. Right? So that gives me 26. I write 6. 2 is carried. Now 1 1s are 1. That is my tens number. And so it get added to 2. So 2 and 1 is 3. So my answer is 361. Okay. So square of 19 is 361. Let's see one more example. Now square of 24. Yes. So first I will multiply the units number. 4 4s are 16. So 16, 1 gets carried. Cross multiply. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 8 is 16. It gets added over here. Gives me 17. So 1 is carried. Now 2 2s are 4. Add it in this 1. That gives me 5. So it is 576. Okay children. So we are with a very simple method again, having 3 steps. One is multiplying the units number, then multiplying in a crisscross manner and adding their products, and last step is multiplying the number in the tens place. Okay, I hope you have understood these 2 tricks. All the best. Thank you.